So let's buy 19 more at market place and confirm. Okay, but wrongly I have taken in the position convert, delivery, submit. Okay, I have converted. So 20 shares of Godrej Industries I have bought.
Godrej Industries was jump yesterday. So it was good move yesterday. It has happened. आज directly ऊपर खुल रहा है हमारे target के आसपास, which is 549. 550 is our target almost. So let's book our profit as soon as the market open. So let's wait for the market to open. Godrej Industries direct 549. It has given a good move over here. So let's book our profit. So what price we have bought it? 497.92 as per the EMS strategy which we have bought it. And right now, if it is opening at 550, then I need to square off this position as my target is achieved in this. Okay, so let's put it over here. Let's wait for a while. 548 करके डाल देंगे. Almost target पे open हो रहा है. So book your profit in this. 548 करके place करके confirm कर देता है. Let's check गया कि नहीं गया. Completed. Yes. So Godrej Industries, I have booked it over here. क्या open हुआ? 550 पे open हुआ at our target. So we have booked our profit in this. Godrej Industries, what price we have bought it? We have bought it at 497 and we have booked our profit at 548, which is 10% of the move. And within how many days? If we just check the trade log here. So Godrej Industries, when we bought it, we have bought it on 10th of August and within 15 days, we achieved a 10% target. So today is 24th August 23. So we have booked our profit in Godrej Industries with the target here. Let's write down the target here. Profit book, target achieved लिख देते हैं, which is 546 का target था. We have booked our profit at 548. So we have booked here. 1,000 rupees has been booked in the Godrej Industries here. So we have booked our profit in Godrej Industries. We are out.